CapCut is one of the popular video editing apps that has gained a good reputation among users all over the world. But if CapCut is banned in your country, school or work Wi-Fi blocking it, how do you do? Don't worry, today, I'll show you the best free VPN to unblock CapCut anywhere while keeping your edits fast and secure. Let's fix this in seconds. First, let's talk about why bother with a VPN for CapCut. 3 life-changing reasons. Number 1 is unblock geo-restrictions. Remember when TikTok nearly got banned in the US? CapCut is owned by the same company. Right now in India, CapCut's completely blocked, but with one VPN click, you can edit like you're in New York or London. Next, online safety and privacy are also important. Editing at Starbucks? Hackers love stealing login details from public Wi-Fi. A VPN creates an encrypted tunnel so your drafts and accounts stay locked down tight. The last one is faster network experience. Here's something most creators miss: internet providers slow down video apps during peak hours. A VPN bypasses this throttling so your 4K exports don't take forever. In the next part, we will talk about what criteria you need to consider when choosing the best VPN for CapCut. The first one is servers and locations. You need VPNs with US, UK, and Japan servers where CapCut works freely. A good VPN provides worldwide servers that allow you to use CapCut anywhere. Second, security and privacy policies are also important. Always check for no logs policies and AES 256 encryption, which means your browsing history, IP addresses, and other personal information are not recorded. The last one is fast speed. High speed is essential for seamless video editing. A good VPN provides you with a smooth editing experience and exporting 4K videos quickly. Now, choose a great VPN for your smooth CapCut editing. Why UFO VPN is your best choice? UFO VPN sticks to military-level encryption and a stringent no-logs policy, which makes your sensitive information, like passwords, banking details, etc., and your online activities private and secure. Also, UFO VPN provides various servers, like the United States, United Kingdom, Japan, France, etc., and you can enjoy your editing anywhere. Last, UFO VPN provides a stable and fast network connection to remove lag and free users from throttling. Click the link in the description to download and install UFO VPN. Then, open and launch it on your devices. Choose the server you need. Last, tap on the connection button and allow a VPN connection. After doing that, launch CapCut to edit and export videos freely and smoothly. That's all tips. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.